work for Inland Empire Resource Conservation District, or IARCD for short. We partnered with the City of San Bernardino Municipal Water Department to bring you a series of virtual lessons on water education and conservation. For our second lesson, Project WET has let us use our Water Inspirations lesson as the inspiration for this STEAM activity. Today, I'm going to review the various states of matter that water goes through and give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to recreate a watercolor painting representing all three states. When an object is a solid, its molecules are arranged in a pattern and can't move around. In a liquid state, molecules are farther apart and can move around. The movement of these molecules is what makes a liquid fluid. The molecules in a gas are even further apart and move freely with no pattern at all. Water is usually a liquid, but when it reaches 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it freezes into ice. Ice, snow, hail, and sleet are the solid forms of water. When water reaches 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it boils. When it begins to boil, some of that water turns into steam. Steam is the gaseous state of water and is also called water vapor. Now that we've learned about the states of matter, let's paint an image that represents all three states of water. You will need 4 to 5 colored markers, an image to sketch and then paint, white crayon or white paint for the clouds and then snow, and this is optional, watercolor paper or some light colored construction paper, watercolors, paintbrushes, a pencil, an eraser, a cloth napkin or a towel, a mason jar or some kind of container to hold water, and then masking tape or painter's tape to hold your paper down to the table. And feel free to substitute any of these items for things that you have around in your home. All right, let's get started. So this is the image that I've selected for us to recreate and then paint today. And in this image, you're going to find water in its three states. You'll find water as a cloud, as water vapor, or water in its gaseous state. You'll find a lake filled with liquid water, and you'll see snow. And snow, of course, is water in its solid form. To make this easier to recreate, sketch, and then paint, we're going to break it down into smaller pieces. And we're going to outline those pieces in different colors. So it's going to end up looking like different pieces in a puzzle. Now that we've outlined the different parts of the image, we can begin to sketch on our watercolor paper or construction paper. Okay, our sketch is done. Let's start to paint. I've completed the base of my painting, allowed it to dry, outlined it in black permanent marker so that it can pop a little bit, started to sketch some of the detail work in pencil and add some of the watercolor. I'm going to continue working on this project, but I want you to see the original inspiration that we used. So as you can see, the image that I have and the original picture are not the same. Feel free to take some artistic liberties with it. I'm going to show you a picture that I've used recently of a beach landscape. I'm using this inspiration to create my Father's Day gift. My dad loves the beach. In the foreground of this image, there are so many different plant species, and I do not consider myself the best drawer, so I didn't even attempt to draw all of these different types of plants. But I did like the cacti and these beautiful colored flowers. So in the sketch and painting that I've started, I did include some of those plants, and I also added in some cacti flowers. Look up different watercolor techniques. There are so many. Research, watch some videos, and try some things out. Really make it your own, have fun, and make your own masterpiece. Visit the City of San Bernardino Municipal Water Department's website to access this video, a companion activity, and resource links related to this lesson. Tell us how you liked this video in the comments below, and tag us in any photos or videos of you doing this activity. Also, visit Project WET's website for more virtual learning ideas. Thank you from the City of San Bernardino Municipal Water Department, Project WET, and everyone at IARCD. We appreciate you watching. Take care.